If your mom or dad just admitted someone is threatening them online, your first reaction might be shock or anger. Theirs is usually fear and shame. The FBI's annual Internet Crime Report documented that extortion was one of the top 3 most reported cybercrime categories in 2024. While we often view our parents as wise and knowledgeable, they are not immune to cybercrime. Parent blackmail is not something your family has to face alone. There are steps you can take to support your parents, and help is available. Pause for a moment and take a collective deep breath. In this video, we'll walk you through how parent blackmail starts, how it escalates, and the calm, step-by-step family intervention plan that can protect your parent from further harm. From friendly conversation to digital coercion, parent blackmail usually begins with trust building. A scammer may pose as a romantic interest, a friendly stranger, or even a professional contact. Conversations move quickly. Flattery turns into private exchanges. Then, the trap closes. The criminal captures screenshots, saves photos, or records video chats. Suddenly, the tone shifts. Your parent receives a message threatening to send the material to friends, coworkers, or family unless money is paid immediately. The psychological manipulation is deliberate. Scammers create urgency. They use countdowns. They send screenshots of contact lists. Parent blackmail depends on panic. Without family intervention, victims often feel pressured to pay just to make the fear stop. Where and how the trap is set. Parent blackmail cases often start through social media platforms where strangers can initiate direct messages, dating apps frequently used by widowed or divorced adults, email phishing schemes that escalate into extortion, video chat sites where conversations are secretly recorded, impersonation scams where criminals pose as authority figures. The FTC reports that romance scams cost Americans over $1.3 billion in a single year, with older adults among those reporting significant financial harm. These same emotionally driven schemes frequently escalate into parent blackmail when private conversations or images are later used as leverage. Emotional pressure and escalating demands. Parent blackmail is uniquely harmful because it attacks dignity. Many parents feel embarrassed that they were manipulated. They may fear judgment from their children more than the exposure itself. That silence benefits the criminal. Financially, paying rarely ends the situation. In many cases, scammers demand more money after the first transfer. They may claim additional deletion fees or threaten broader exposure. Parent blackmail often becomes a cycle unless interrupted by firm family intervention. Beyond money, the emotional toll can include anxiety, sleep disruption, and constant fear of public humiliation. Quick, structured action reduces both psychological and financial harm. A clear family intervention strategy. If you discover your mom or dad is being targeted, follow these steps carefully. Stabilize the situation emotionally. Reassure your parents immediately. Remove blame. Your role in family intervention is to create safety and clarity. Do not send money. Even if a payment has already been made, stop further transfers. Additional payments usually increase demands. Preserve all evidence. Take screenshots of conversations, usernames, payment instructions, transaction receipts, and profile links. Do not block the scammer right away. Blocking can trigger retaliation or cause loss of critical evidence. Secure digital accounts. Change passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication and review privacy settings. Report the crime. File a complaint with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center and notify the platform where the contact occurred. Reporting creates an official record. Seek professional assistance from private cybersecurity firms specializing in parent blackmail cases for digital investigations and content removal strategies. You can take back control. Parent blackmail feels overwhelming at the moment, but it is manageable with fast and informed action. Through calm family intervention, evidence preservation, and professional support, your parents can regain control and reduce the threat significantly. If your family is facing parent blackmail, you don't have to navigate it alone. In addition to reporting the crime to law enforcement and preserving evidence, You can connect with experienced cyber incident specialists trained to help victims of online blackmail and sextortion. At Blackmail Helpline, we bring more than 10 years of cybersecurity experience and proprietary investigative techniques to every case. Our team offers discreet assistance designed to help you and your parents regain control, protect their privacy, and assess your next steps. If you ever fall victim to parent blackmail, you can count on the team at Blackmail Helpline. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.